Square root of 48 plus square root of 16 upon square root of 48 minus square root of 16. How to simplify this? So there are two methods to simplify. First is we rationalize the denominator. To rationalize the denominator, we multiply and divide it by the conjugate. Conjugate of x plus y will be x minus y, and conjugate of x minus y will be x plus y. So conjugate of square root of 48 minus square root of 16 will be square root of 48 plus square root of 16 upon square root of 48 plus square root of 16. Now this is in the form of a plus b times a plus b. So this is equal to a plus b whole square. So we can write it square root of 48 plus square root of 16 whole square upon, this is in the form of a minus b times a plus b, and a minus b times a plus b is equal to a square minus b square. So we can write it as square root of 48 square minus square root of 16 square. So square root of 48 square, the expansion of a plus b whole square, plus 2 times square root of 48 times square root of 16 plus square root of 16 square upon, we can remove the square root with the square, so it will be 48 minus 16. Again remove the square root with the square, so 48 plus 16 is equal to 64 plus 2 times square root of 16 is 4, square root of 48 is 4 times square root of 3, because square root of 48 is 4 times 4 times 3 under square root, or this is equal to square root of 4 square times square root of 3, or this is equal to 4 times square root of 3 upon 48 minus 16 is 32. So 64 plus 32 times square root of 3 upon 32. Let's take 32 common. 2 plus square root of 3 upon 32. Cancel 32 and 32. Answer is 2 plus square root of 3. So this is one method to simplify. Another method is we simplify the radicals first. Square root of 48 we can write 4 times 3 under square root plus square root of 16 is 4 upon square root of 48 again 4 times 3 under square root plus minus 4. So this is 3 under square root times 4 plus 4 upon 4 times square root of 3 minus 4. Take 4 as common, so it is square root of 3 plus 1 upon square root of 3 minus 1, and 4 is common, so we can cancel 4. Now it's time to rationalize, so it is square root of 3 plus 1 times square root of 3 plus 1 upon square root of 3 minus 1 times square root of 3 minus 1 plus 1. So this is a plus b whole square, so square root of 3 square plus 1 square plus 2 times square root of 3 times 1 upon square root of 3 square minus 1. So this is 3 plus 1 plus 2 times square root of 3 upon 3 minus 1. So 4 plus 2 times square root of 3 upon 2, or take 2 as common, so 2 plus square root of 3 upon 2, cancel this 2 and this 2. Answer is 2 plus square root of 3. So which method did you follow? Let me know in the comment section.